Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can get approved for an auto loan with this company called ALLIANT Credit Union. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on their website and see what you can get approved for and what is needed for the approval. Before you can apply online with this company for your car loan, you have to have an actual account with them, and you can start your account today for only $5. An online car loan with great rates that puts you in the driver's seats. The car you want is within reach with our low rates. Feel confident at the dealership knowing what you can afford and what you should be paying. So that is the power of knowing that you already have been approved by a bank, and that's why I'm making these videos for you guys in case you're having a hard time finding different credit unions that you can apply for. These videos are to help you see that there are different options. And as I've stated in other videos about cars, I prefer the credit unions. So that's why we're getting into these credit unions and what you may can apply for through their website. So the different features is the rundown, excellent rates that beat industry averages, long terms up to 84 months for new or used cars. You get to refinance your higher rate auto loans and save. No prepayment penalties, reduce your interest rates by paying early. This is what I've talked to you guys about in other videos, how if you pay your principal balance early, it cuts how much you have to actually pay to your bank for the actual loan itself. You get the same day approval in most cases, get a 0.50% rate discount when you use the ALLIANT car buying service. Use our car loan calculator to estimate your monthly payments. So the rates are as low as 1.94 APR, and the max term is 60 months on new vehicles. With their car buying service, you can go on the website and begin shopping for your cars directly through the website. So if you're having a hard time finding the vehicle that you want, or if you are having a hard time finding it in that area, check out the bank's website as well to see if you may can find your vehicle at a nearby place close to you. You get to calculate your savings. Our online car loan calculator will help you estimate your payments so you can find the right loan for you. So we're gonna just play around with this. We're gonna put in the 20,000 as we did in other videos to see what may can happen here. The long term should be between 12 and 84 months. So above we read where it stated up to 60 months, but here is stating you can still do the 84 months. So with your APR, we're gonna put in just 5% to see what that may be. So with getting a vehicle that's around $20,000 for a 60-month term, which is going to be for 5 years, and it's a new vehicle with a 5% APR, you can get your payments around $377. So total that you'll pay for a vehicle that's $20,000 would be $22,645.48. So the total that you're paying would be the interest of $2,645.48. That's how much you're going to pay the bank back, which your APR is the 5%, and the APR rate is what determines how much you pay your bank back. So before you apply for this company, you can also go ahead and just play around with those numbers so you can see exactly what your vehicle that you're looking at may range you for your monthly payments. When you're pre-approved, you hold the keys. How does being pre-approved help you? When dealers see that you're pre-approved, they know you are a serious buyer. They'll be ready to make a good deal to get your business, and you can be confident knowing that you have a low rate financing option with ALLIANT. Now, the only thing about doing your pre-approval when you do go to your dealership, don't allow them to know that you have a pre-approval until you have done some negotiating. If you let the salesman know that you have a pre-approval, 9 out of 10, they're going to try to upsell you, or they're not going to budge when it's time for you to do your negotiating. So just because a car is around 25,000, 20,000, you don't want to just go with that actual pricing. You want to still try to negotiate to get some fees knocked off. So even if you get only $1,000 off, that's still good, because that just saves you an extra 1,000. So I always remember, before you let the salesman know that you have a pre-approval, you do your negotiating first. And once you have tied that offer in, then you let them know that you do have a pre-approval from your own bank. So with the car loan application process, you could get approved quickly for an online car loan. Submit your application. To get the loan process started, first submit an online application. You can also apply by calling, and they're available 24/7 for you to apply through call if you decide to do that as well. Get pre-approved. We will process your application and notify you when your pre-approval is completed, usually the same day. So the good thing about them is you will know the same day if you are approved most of the time. You get to negotiate the best deal. Be sure to bring your loan pre-approval to the dealer, as this will give you maximum leverage and help you negotiate the best deal. Save even more time and money when you use the Alliant car buying service. If you're someone and you know what you're looking for, even if you don't know what you're looking for, you can go on the Alliant car buying service and you can go ahead and look for your vehicle once you get that approval, or you can go ahead and look before you get your approval, so you can know how much you need to put in for when you do your pre-approval, so that it can pay the full amount of that vehicle. Step 4, you're going to complete your loan documents. Once the deal is finalized, send us the purchase agreement and we can finalize your loan documents online using DocSign. So you never have to go to the Alliant Credit Union in order for you to get your loan financed through their bank. You can do everything online. Step 5, you're going to finalize your financing. We'll send the funds for free via FedEx, 2 business days shipping. Contact your loan consultant if you want it to arrive sooner for a fee. FedEx overnight shipping for $18 or FedEx first overnight shipping for $22. So you never have to go to the bank to actually apply, or you don't have to go and pick up your actual pre-approval from the bank. You can get everything sent directly to your home via FedEx. They have the Alliant car buying service. You get to save the 0.50% off your auto loan rate. Get upfront pricing, guaranteed savings, and a discounted rate on your online car loan when you use the Alliant car buying service. Powered by True Cars. Alliant Vehicle Service Program, the free, easy way to schedule maintenance and save money. The Alliant Vehicle Service Program, powered by Car Advice, our new online car care platform, saves you an average of 25% on vehicle maintenance and repairs, and allows you to schedule service with thousands of certified service providers nationwide, all with just a few taps on your smartphone. So if you get your vehicle through Alliant, they do have a vehicle service program, and it is all over nationwide for maintenance. So that is something very good to know, that you can get your car maintenance with their program. The car loan rates, the new vehicle rate is 1.94% APR, used vehicle rates is 2.29% APR, the vehicle refinance 2.29% APR, and the used vehicle rate is 10 to 15 years for 5.29 APR. As I've mentioned in several videos, with your APR, that's going to vary on your credit score. And if you haven't started building your credit, or if you don't have good credit right now, before you try to apply for your loan with any bank or any dealership, make sure you watch my videos about credit to teach you exactly how to repair your credit or how to build your credit, so that once you do apply for this car loan, you will be approved with no problem. So for the car loan frequent asked questions, how can being a pre-approved help me when I'm vehicle shopping? Being pre-approved helps you focus on negotiating the best price, knowing that you won't end up with high rate financing when you close the deal. Plus, dealers tend to take people more seriously when they come in with pre-approved financing because it means you're ready to do business and not just window shop. And that is so true. The power of pre-approval allows you to do some negotiating on those pricing. It worked for me. How fast can I be approved for a vehicle loan? Can I be approved the same day that I apply? In many cases, your loan may be approved the same day that you apply. We understand that sometimes the vehicle buying process is urgent. Our loan specialist will answer any questions and help expedite the simple application and approval process. Can I pay off my loan quicker than the payment schedule? Yes, at Alliant, there are no prepayment penalties for paying off your loan faster than your payment schedule. In fact, it's a great way to save on interest over the long run. Do you offer a debt protection plan? Yes, we offer a debt protection benefit plan in the event of death, disability, or involuntary unemployment. You can read about that on the website as well. Does Alliant do car lease buyouts? Alliant lease buyout loans are processed by our partner, Lease Maturity. Click here to be directed to the lease maturity site. So if you're someone who's trying to lease a vehicle, you can see about that as well, where they do have the lease buyouts. So for someone who's looking to consider that as well as an option, you can go on the website and check that out as well. So that's going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give this video a like so that it can help our community continue to grow. On this channel, I teach you guys all things finance so that you're able to live a healthier, wealthier life. Until next time.